So today, I just got a package from NHL. It's a jersey. It's a Maple Leafs jersey, even though I live in Montville. It's kind of weird. Yeah. But, let's open this up. I'm going to have to put this down so I can open it. And here's the other packaging. So, you can see, got in blue. Same colors. Small, medium. That's what I am. Yeah, children measure crap. So, let's open this up. And voila, there's some stuff. Yeah, in the back. Let's get this off. Yeah, it's a nice jersey. I might destroy this person's name, so Clarkson didn't. It's number 71. Yep, right there, 71, Reebok. Yep, youth right there. NHL. Yeah, so I'm gonna wear this tomorrow because it's still the school week. And yeah, I have 0 followers right now, so bye.